Hello guys, let's take a look at the Mazda EZ-60. This car has been officially unveiled at the Changchun Auto Show. First of all, the exterior design gives me the feeling that it is a bit like a concept car. However, you can see some unique design styles of Mazda in the details. This is a purple exterior. It has a sense of layering under the light. The front of the car adopts the Mazda family design language. The shape of the light strip in the middle is also integrated into the design. And if you look at it from the side, the groove of this light strip is designed to be relatively deep and is very three-dimensional. The light group adopts a split headlight design. Here on the top are its daytime running lights, and below are its high and low beam lights. Here above the logo, it has a wind channel slot. The air enters from here, and the air exits from up here. And on both sides of the bumper, it is also designed with such air vents, which can also reduce a certain degree of drag coefficient during driving. The lower side of the bumper is an active closed diffuser. And there are 6 parking sensors on the front bumper. The overall size of the vehicle is 4,850 mm in length, 1,935 mm in width, and 1,620 mm in height. It is positioned as a medium-sized SUV. From the side, the entire body is relatively slender and the overall body posture has a relatively low feeling. Here at the rear quarter windows, it also has such an air channel slot as seen on the front. Mazda has put a lot of effort into aerodynamic design this time. The aluminum alloy wheels are a 5-spoke pedal-shaped design, and the tires are Michelin 255/40/R21. Behind are the variable damping shock absorbers. The hardness and softness can be adjusted according to the road conditions and driving needs. At first glance, the taillights seem to be a single unit, but in fact, they are segmented, when lit, and the taillights on both sides still retain the design language of Mazda. The rear bumper has a rounded-off design with 6 parking sensors and an parking assist function. The trunk button is located on the wiper, and it's electrically operated. The trunk has 350 liters of storage without the rear seats being folded down. There is a privacy curtain above. The trunk floor is designed to be relatively low. This way, it's more convenient to load and unload luggage. Under the cover are located some of the portable tools in case of emergency. The rear seats can also be folded down in a 2:1 ratio, with the trunk flooring staying relatively flat. On the rear passenger side we can find the charging ports. Both the fast and slow charging ports can be found there. The batteries currently known to be used are from CATL and Zhongxing. The door handles feature retractable design, and a mechanical door locking mechanism can be found behind. All 4 doors use a frameless window design, and both front doors are equipped with double-layered soundproof glass. The side mirrors are fully electric, mirrorless design, equipped with cameras that display a real-time image on a screen. Both screens located on the door panels take the role of the traditional side mirrors. The interior rearview mirror is also a mirrorless and fully electric design. In terms of color, the interior has a combination of purple, white and black. The most eye-catching thing inside is this huge screen. It's a 26.45-inch 5K display. It's a single-panel screen and is not spliced together. It has no reflection or glare and looks very sharp. The chip used is a 4nm car track chip, which can work stably from -40 degrees to 125 degrees Celsius. There is a huge head-up display on the dashboard which has the capability to project a 3D image. With 23 high-quality surround sound speakers, watching a movie is a great experience. The materials used in the interior are very good quality. The entire interior is basically covered with soft touch materials or leather. There are some functional buttons on both sides of the steering wheel. The gear selector is located behind the steering wheel. There are 2 places to put mobile phones under the center console. The left side supports wireless charging and has a cooling function. Below are located 2 cup holders that support drinks of various sizes. The central armrest has a dual opening design. The space inside is very generous, also it's equipped with an AC vent. Below is an additional storage compartment with generous space. Type-C charging port, USB and a 12-volt power interface. The seats are all wrapped in leather. The top is white and the bottom is purple. There is a gray cloth material in the middle. The top is also perforated, it's more supportive and not overly soft. The whole design is quite exquisite. In addition, the two front seats have zero-gravity seat mode and an electric leg rest. Both front seats are equipped with sun visors and there is a support grab handle located on the passenger side. The roof is panoramic without the possibility of opening and there is an electric sliding sunshade underneath. In terms of safety configuration, this car is equipped with 9 airbags as standard. High-strength steel accounts for 86.5% of the vehicle's structure, and our 2-level assisted driving is standard. Let's take a look at its rear space performance. There is still about 2.5 to 3/5 of space distance in my driving position. The entire floor is flat, so the space here is more than enough. Here is an independent AC control panel for the back row passengers. You can adjust the passenger side seat, or turn on the ventilation or heating of both rear seats. There is a central armrest in the middle, with 2 cup holders inside. The rear seats are a little softer than the front seats, and the seat length is satisfactory. The headroom in the back row is also satisfactory with there being a little more than a fist clearance. EZ-60 will be available in 2 versions, electric and plug-in hybrid. The pure electric range is estimated to be about 600 kilometers, and the hybrid version is estimated to have a comprehensive range of more than 1,000 kilometers.